Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. I am Shamaila and today I am making Aloo Methi Matar or Kheema. So guys, this is a quite popular vegetable combination all across India, and aloo matar can be made in various forms and it's widely served with dal, rice or roti. It is a traditional curry where aloo, methi ki bhaji, matar and keema are combined together and made like a curry. It is necessary to pick and clean methi leaves because they may contain dirt, worms, so you should touch clean the leaves and rinse thrice on running water before you use. Only pick green leaves, discard the yellow leaves. And now remove green peas from shell and set aside. And now I'm going to peel the potatoes, rinse to remove dirt, and now chop the potatoes and set aside. Now let's start making curry. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pressure cooker. Add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. And to this I'm adding 2 chopped tomatoes and a teaspoon of salt. Adjust as per your taste. Mix well and cook this till tomatoes become soft and mushy. And now add 100 grams of keema and some fresh methi leaves as required. Give this a nice mix. And now I'm going to add 1 cup fresh green peas. Mix this nicely. Goes in 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. And to this I am adding chopped potatoes. Add some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And now I'm going to add 1 cup water. Give this a very good mix. And now close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Once reduce the steam, open the lid. So guys, Aloo Methi Matar Kheema is ready to serve with dal khana. It goes well with roti or dosa too. I love to combine veggies with mutton or keema and try side dishes that are perfect with dal rice, rasam rice or roti. And this is something that I usually make and serve my family. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more updates and short recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.